want to know how easy it is to take iHeRQles, you better do it so I don't spray it all over my
we were going to
face.
show this to you early, and she did spray her face. Something you don't want to do when you're looking at the camera, right? So it's very easy. It's 4 sprays under the tongue. And that's it. Let it sit under the tongue. Don't swallow it because you want it to get into your bloodstream. Hold it for as long as you can. A lot of people like 30 seconds.
Sprayed at 5. You only have to do 4.
I know, but I'm an overachiever.
Yes, she is.
But let it sit. Mine, even though I'm talking, it's still sitting under my tongue. I feel like I'm about to drool.
Well, if you think about it, you're getting this nutrition. You want to get the best from it. So why not hold in your mouth for 15 seconds? Don't drink or eat after it for 15 minutes because you want to make sure there's nothing going to hinder the absorption into that bloodstream.
Right. You want that to kick in your system before your digestive system starts kicking in, which is why the recommendation is before you eat. However, it's fine if you're like, don't remember and you take the spray and then go eat. Fine. It still works. It's just that the benefits are much better if you wait that 15 minutes to engage in your system before you eat. So,
all right. Bye, y'all.